Another Shopee Butyl. Finally got my first air humidifier set from Konka brand. Thank you Konka for the 2 extra filters and saw complete accessories. I love the minimalist aesthetic look. Let me show you how I assembled it and checked if it is working properly. I took out the filter installed, dipped both ends to a water for 3 to 5 seconds, then placed back from where I took it. Now, put water to the main container. Let's open the essential oils. I tried the lavender scent first. Just add a few drops. Now, time to plug it from a USB source. Wow, Malika's Ang Buga Nang Mist. Hold the power button for a few seconds to activate colorful changing lights. I love the lavender scent. It's very relaxing. Perfect size for my working table. Not too big, not too small. Holds 380 milliliters of water. 10 out of 10 rating Konka. Thank you.